Today's scammers don't look like criminals. They look like recruiters. Why are job seekers the biggest targets of scams today? Because the demand for jobs is high, and desperation is real, especially across Africa, where many are searching for opportunities abroad or online. But what if that email, that website, that online job offers is actually a trap? On this channel, you've seen the pain, the real emotions people go through after being scammed. And today, we go deeper. We're exposing the fake online and overseas job offers that have ruined lives. Inside the fake recruitment scam. Watch carefully. This could save you or someone you love. Subscribe around desperation, dreams, and trust. And the most dangerous part? They are getting smarter, faster, and harder to detect. So, ask yourself, if these many people are being targeted, how sure are you? Piling up. No way to pay rent. No way to feed his siblings. Then one morning, he receives an email. Congratulations! You've been selected for a high-paying job abroad. And the shame. She didn't tell anyone. Not parents. Not friends. Because how do you explain that a single WhatsApp message destroyed your life? So, I ask you, if a stranger texted you today with a perfect job, would you trust them? How the scam works. These scammers are not amateurs. They are strategic, organized, and highly professional. They study human behavior, your hopes, your desperation, and they exploit it. Here's the tried and tested process they use to trap job seekers. 1. The hook, luring you in. They grab attention with messages that sound irresistible. Work from home, earn Kenya shillings 5,000 daily. No experience needed. Start immediately. Including Kenya, and are not legitimate jobs. 1. Fake job boards and scam sites. Scammers create entire websites that look real but exist solely to collect money or personal data. Examples include websites using fake or misleading domains. Verify with your card for a tiny fee before seeing full job details, often leading to hidden subscriptions or unauthorized charges. Red flag. Websites that ask you to pay before accessing And earn online. No experience needed. Ads on WhatsApp promising Kenya shillings 2,000 to 5,000 per day. WhatsApp job offers from fake HR numbers claiming job matches without application. Pay to register. Activate accounts before legit job asks for money to get hired. Recruiters who won't communicate through official channels, company email, phone. Offers that are too good without interviews or verification. Scams. Let's protect each other. Stay safe. Stay alert.